Hey, I'm Michael. I've been studying street epistemology for a couple of years now, and I think at a very simple level, street epistemology is basically a way for people to reflect on the quality of their reasoning through conversation. You can go to Street Epistemology International and check out their course that's coming out for a more technical definition, but at a simple level, I think this is what SE is really all about. I think there are three main ways that SE conversations help people to do this. Let's go through them. The first is by simply asking questions that explore what it is that your conversation partner believes. I've found that often simply just understanding what people mean by the words that they use and the situations in which their belief would apply or be true can bring clarity and understanding between two people. And I think that alone can go a long way towards resolving most simple conflicts. The second way is by simply asking questions that explore why they believe what they believe. I've found that when I understand the main reasons for why someone believes what they believe, I develop better empathy and understanding for why they've acted the way they did or why they plan to do whatever they're wanting to do. The third way, and it's a focus on this part, I think that's what really makes SE unique, but the third way is by asking questions that explore how we can know if those reasons are good reasons for believing what we believe. SE is not about exploring what's ultimately philosophically true. It's about both parties genuinely exploring whether the reasons we have justify the level of confidence we have in the beliefs that we hold. I think this is important because our beliefs affect how we feel, and how we feel affects how we behave, and how we behave affects the impact we have on each other and the sort of results and outcomes we get in life. And so taking the time to reflect on whether we're acting on the best information available helps us to do our best to live the best life possible. For SE to be successful, you've got to have honesty and rapport and be exploring those what, why and how type questions, and hopefully at the end, some genuine reflection. So that's my take on street epistemology and why I value it. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and thanks for watching.